Welcome to this gorgeous Craftsman-style home with an expansive outdoor space and beautiful views. It's in a great location near Progress Ridge Shops, dining and entertainment with a private tiered yard. Heading inside, you'll discover an interior full of desired features throughout. The family room includes cherry built-ins, a stone gas fireplace, and high ceilings. It opens to the light and bright dining nook and remodeled kitchen with leathered granite, a large island, gas range, a walk-in pantry, and tile floors. Elegant wainscoting and tray ceilings frame the formal dining room, with plank hardwood floors extending to the living room. On the upper level, French doors lead to the vaulted master bedroom suite with valley views. The master bathroom includes double sinks, a large shower, a jetted tub, and a walk-in closet. You'll also find a large bonus room with a wet bar, perfect for entertaining. This home of more than 3,300 square feet has 4 bedrooms and 3.5 baths. Gather with friends and family on the durable Trex deck with a covered area for year-round entertaining. The expansive yard is ready for family fun with a 5-hole putting green, well-manicured landscaping, a sprinkler system, and trampoline area. That 3-car garage has a full-size garage door on the back side for access to a large concrete pad. A beautiful home in a fantastic location. It's all here ready for you to call home. To schedule your own personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582 or email steve@nassarteam.com. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Directors Mortgage.